If you're a DevOps engineer or a platform engineer and you are using AI tool for your infrastructure, the biggest problem is always same. AI has no idea what your infrastructure actually looks like. You describe it, it forgets it, and you describe it again. And this is a very big problem, right? And today, I'm gonna show you how Praxis solve this problem permanently with one feature called context, right? So we'll go to Praxis. There is a section called context, and if we'll click on it, a drop down will open up with three things: memory, skills, and catalog. Here it is, you can see, right? Now these three things together are what makes Praxis actually understand your infrastructure instead of just responding to prompts blindly. So quickly, let me just walk you through each one, right? So the very first one is memories. This is where Praxis stores durable facts about your infrastructure, your team, and your decisions. Now every time you tell Praxis something important, for example, which team owns which service, what your deployment conventions are, what a past incident was about, it remembers everything, not just for this session but permanently also. So next time when you'll open Praxis, it already knows your context. You never have to repeat yourself again. Now the second thing is skills. Now skills are capabilities you give Praxis to actually take actions inside your infrastructure. Now think of it as plugins. You can give Praxis the skill to query your logs, to check your cluster's health, to trigger a deployment, or to run a scan as well, right? Anything. So skills are what turn Praxis from a chatbot into an actual infrastructure agent that can do things, not just answer your questions, right? Now the third and the most important one, catalog. This is Praxis automatically scanning your entire infrastructure and building a map of every single service, every deployment, every connection. So look at this. We have 68 total resources discovered, 28 with high confidence, 25 connection mapped, and 0 drift detected, right? So now Praxis knows your infrastructure better than most engineers in your team. And this matters because when you ask Praxis a question, for example, which service is causing this latency issue, what depends on this database, or what changed in the last deployments, so it is not guessing. It is actually answering based on your real life catalog of your actual infrastructure. So this is the difference between an AI that sounds smart and an AI that actually smart about your system. So in conclusion, if I'll wrap it up in very small words, basically memory gives Praxis a long-term knowledge, skills give it ability to act, and catalog gives a real map of your world. And together these things under context are what making Praxis genuinely useful for infrastructure work, not just another AI chat window, obviously. And if you want to see how each one is set up in detail, comment below. I'll do a deep dive on each one separately as well.